very good morning. This presentation is brought to you by Resonate International with a mission to leverage knowledge worldwide. The topic being covered is Human Sensory System designed for cosmic interface. Ladies and gentlemen, the universe is a vast symphony of energies, vibrations, and frequencies, each intricately interwoven into a grand cosmic design. Within this intricate interplay, the human sensory system stands as an extraordinary instrument meticulously crafted to perceive, interpret, and respond to the world and the cosmos beyond. This remarkable mechanism shapes our physical experiences, mental perceptions, and emotional responses, serving as a gateway to explore life's higher aspirations and align with the universal flow of existence. Let us look at the design and role of the human sensory system a bit deeper. The human sensory system is a marvel of biological engineering. Through its primary organs, eyes, ears, skin, tongue, and nose, it captures environmental stimuli such as light, sound, pressure, and chemicals. These inputs extend beyond the basic five senses, integrating capabilities like proprioception, which is body awareness, and vestibular balance, which allows humans to maintain orientation in space. Together, these senses form the foundation for survival, creativity, and spiritual aspiration, acting as the first interface between the human experience and the cosmos. Let us also examine the effect of the sensory system through the brain. The sensory system functions as the brain's primary data collection network, transmitting information via neural pathways. Once received, the brain translates these signals into physical, emotional, mental, and even aspirational responses. This process is amplified by the nervous and the endocrine systems, which regulate the release of hormones such as dopamine, serotonin, and oxytocin, enhancing motivation, mood, and social connection. These intricate feedback loops power the human energy grid: physical vitality, emotional stability, mental clarity, aspirational drive, and spiritual awareness, thus aligning individuals with their inner purpose and the greater cosmic flow. A foundation for sensory and brain function is necessary to understand in terms of holistic well-being. The effective functioning of the senses and brain is intricately linked to physical, mental, and emotional well-being. A healthy body sustains sensory acuity. A balanced mind ensures accurate interpretation of sensory data, and emotional stability fosters regulated responses. Neglecting any of these aspects can lead to diminished sensory input, impaired decision making, and emotional turbulence. Thus, nurturing holistic health is not just a personal necessity but a prerequisite for engaging with the cosmos. Practices such as proper nutrition, regular exercise, mindfulness, and emotional healing are essential for maintaining the harmony of body, mind, and spirit, thus enabling individuals to pursue their aspirations with clarity and purpose. The human sensory system has limitations also, and it is important to understand how to overcome these limitations and unlock the potential. Despite its brilliance, the sensory system has limitations. Factors such as aging, health issues, environmental degradation, and overstimulation can impair sensory acuity and hinder the brain's ability to process information accurately. For instance, chronic illnesses like diabetes or neurological disorders can dull sensory perception, while mental health challenges such as anxiety or depression can distort emotional responses. Moreover, cognitive biases may further skew interpretations of sensory inputs. However, these challenges are not insurmountable. Through intentional practices like sensory training, meditation, and brain entrainment techniques, individuals can enhance sensory precision, improve neuroplasticity, and achieve greater emotional regulation. Interventions such as sound therapies, guided visualizations, and mindfulness practices can recalibrate the brain, enabling it to engage with the cosmic interface more effectively and harmoniously. The question arises how to harness the cosmic interface for human potential. Let's understand this. The refinement of the sensory brain cosmos interface holds the key to unlocking human potential. Enhanced sensory awareness allows individuals to resonate with universal rhythms, fostering harmony between personal aspirations and the cosmic design. By synchronizing their physical vitality, emotional resilience, and spiritual alignment, humans can transcend the constraints of daily life to achieve greater health, happiness, and purpose. In conclusion, ladies and gentlemen, the human sensory system is more than a biological mechanism. It is a gateway to infinite possibilities. By caring for the body, nurturing the mind, and stabilizing the emotions, individuals can optimize this incredible system and harmonize it with the cosmos. This holistic approach allows humans to interpret and engage with their environment while transcending physical, and temporal boundaries to connect with something far greater. In this delicate interplay of senses, brain, and cosmos lies humanity's greatest opportunity to create a life of meaning, fulfillment, and harmony. The senses become not only a bridge to the universe but also a guide to one's deepest purpose. Within each individual lies the potential to rise, to resonate, and to transform, not as passive beings in a vast cosmos, but as dynamic contributors to the eternal rhythm of existence. Good luck, best wishes, and God bless.